I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on TikTok. For that you'll need to open up your TikTok app on your phone. After you open up your app, on bottom right you'll see an option of profile. Tap on it. Then tap on the sign up option, which is on the middle of your screen. Here you can see that you can sign up for TikTok using your phone, email, Facebook, Google or Twitter. For now, I'm going to show you how to sign up on TikTok with email. Firstly, select your birth date. When you're done, tap on next. If you want to sign up with your phone number, enter your phone number. And if you want to sign up with your email, tap on the email option and enter your email address. Then drag the puzzle piece into place to verify. After that, create a password and be sure that your password has at least 8 to 20 characters, letters, numbers and special characters. After you're done, tap on next. You will now have to create your username and then tap on sign up. This way you can sign up on TikTok. Now you can create videos easily, join daily live streams and find new creators. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.